Hi all. So today I'm just coming with a happy news for everyone in our community, like data community and you. So I'm getting a lot of requests from different people from the different area of the world when you start the next course. So that is the question asking for everyone. I will tell you the background of the course I design. So when starting off the course, I just like a small kind of thing. For example, helping people. So that was the reason. Whatever the knowledge I gained in the Azure data engineering, like cloud data engineering field, I just want to share with the people. So that is the primary aim was when I started the course. But initially, the when learning with the people, like it's like a building community. Now I think in our community almost 300, 3,000, yeah, 3,000 people in our different WhatsApp group and different communities itself. 3,000, more than 3,000 people is there, plus in our YouTube itself 2,500 subscribers currently, and LinkedIn also it's like a vast, very big network, 21,000 k followers. So it's like that is the reason maybe I can use this platform for helping people who are really struggle with sitting on all the technologies and definitely want to move their career into a new technology. It will give you a new life to people. So that is the reason I started this community. It's like a vision board. So I'm just giving like an introduction about Azure data engineering course. Different people are selling the courses, but the course is available everywhere, but the approach, the teach, the way, and the motivation and the consistency is the main key factor. You get a better job and you get a promotion in the same company, anything. That is the basic thing. So that is the primary aim we need to be grow from as a community itself, because every day we are conducting the small sessions. From that itself, if you don't break the things at least 1 month or 2 months or 3 months of time, you will become expert in the particular skill, because every day you are dealing with the same skill and all. So that is the reason I'm just seeing this much of request. I'm also surprised because the people are know me and people are requesting me to Devi when you start the classes. It's really happy to me, because whatever the knowledge I'm sharing, I'm just know what I'm just sharing with the community itself for helping people. The very important thing about the Azure data engineering is like anyone can learn this skill freely. That is a very important thing. But Azure is costly. Even in that, you already know, cloud, when you storing this much of data in the cloud, it's like a costly, because maintaining the VMs and all. But if you learn, if you have a will to these kind of things, you can able to crack any kind of interview and you can export in the Azure our cloud skill. Then I will guide you, because I can able to share with you how you can move in a step-by-step process. First thing, you just invest your time of 3 months of period with me. I will give you a new life or new skill, a learning platform to master in the Azure data, not Azure, fully on the cloud skill like Azure data engineering and Databricks also. Then we will learn about Python, PySpark and DSA, SQL, everything. It will take almost like 3 months of course, and it will take some time because some kind of data we need to learn more, right? And interview preparation, that will help you to get more interviews, and you will get some kind of means some kind of things you need to be changed when you cracking the interview. You need to learn basic things, and you need to communicate with the same level of experience, want to cope up with that kind of interview question, practice with that, then only you will get an offer letter. Am I right? Yes. So that is the reason I just created this vision board community itself. And in vision board community, it's like an all-in-one package. You will get community member, complete live session kind of interaction, like a personal mentorship from my side, and a resume building kind of help, and mock interviews like recruiter connect. Everything will be available is there. So that is the specialty of the community itself. When you're building the community, we will everyone like a very helping mentality, cope up with everyone in the team itself, like a collaboration. And the main sessions we will be focusing, I will tell you, starting with the Python, PySpark, SQL, and moving into the Databricks, the huge demanding skill in the industry, you know. Yes. So then coming into the Azure Data Factory, Synapse, function app and stream analytics. These kind of things we will be focusing, and we will do one Databricks project, and we can do some kind of Azure data engineering, complete end-to-end one, and data migration kind of thing. So that will help you become a industry level professional engineer, Azure data engineer. So I think I can guarantee you, if you commit 3 months of time, definitely I will transform your career. But you need full commitment to learning and gaining the certification and a specific time period. Put lot of effort, whatever the circumstance into yourself, and you will get better package. You dream it, your goal, everything will be come into the way. Okay, so that is the one thing I'm just announcing the course about. And the course I'm planning to start in the mid of the August, and you will get lot of information from my side itself, and I will give you some kind of overview session. Okay, this way we will be focusing. These are the some kind of sessions I will conducting every day. Will help you to know more about. So our class timing normally will be, it's like 1 hour, 1.5 hour every day, but it will be in the weekend, it will be like 3 session. Okay, 3 to 4 session it will be in the weekend, and Saturday we have classes, and Sunday we will be off, because we all are working professional. We need to be rest, then only, because otherwise we are the learning part of our life. But Sunday we will take the off, and rest of the thing we will put hard work to learn this skill, master in the skill. Definitely you can able to get a job. You can search in the Google itself how many data engineer or Azure data engineer demand in the industry, because companies want the skilled data engineer. So if you're ready to will, that's the way. That's the one thing I can give you from my side. So I will share everything like with the link in the description also. You can if you're really interested, register for the courses also. Everything will be available. Community support, lifetime community support will be available. Thank you so much. Bye.